Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome to Legally Speaking, the channel where we delve into important legal issues and offer practical advice. I'm your host, Melanie van Orde, a licensed paralegal, and today we are joined by defense counsel Dan Lemaire. In this episode, Dan will discuss a critical topic. That is whether police can enter a private person's home without a search warrant. Stay tuned as we break down the legalities and your rights in such situations. So let's get started. Dan, under what circumstances can police enter a private residence without a search warrant?
So there are typically three instances where the police can lawfully enter a private residence without a search warrant. The first exception is called informed consent. That means that the police may enter a residence without a warrant where they have the informed consent of the homeowner. The word informed there is very important. They have to do more than merely ask your permission. They really need to impress upon you the seriousness of the situation and make clear to you that you have the right to refuse in order for the court to consider that to be an informed consent. Another exception is what is called the doctrine of hot pursuit. If the police have grounds to arrest you and you are basically fleeing them, they may be able to follow you into a private residence without a warrant. The last exception is called exigent circumstances. That exists where the police enter a home without a warrant because of some emergency situation, such as where they are protecting or assisting somebody who might be in distress.
And then what should individuals do if they believe the police have entered their home unlawfully?
If you think that the police are in your home without lawful permission or without lawful authority, you should make clear to them immediately that you are not consenting to them being in your residence. It might also be helpful to take a video or audio recording of your conversation with police and of the police's conduct in the circumstances.
And then, Diane, lastly, are there any specific rights or protections homeowners should be aware of when it comes to police searches?
Certainly. So individuals should be aware that generally speaking, a warrantless police entry into a private residence is one of the most exceptional exercises of police power. You as a homeowner or a owner of a residence have the right under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms to be free from unreasonable search and seizure. Almost always the police coming into your residence without a warrant is going to have some sort of impact on your Section 8 charter right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure.
Thank you so much, Dan, for joining us today. And thank you to everyone else for joining us on the Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.